What's going on, world? Welcome back to another TYSK report. Let's go ahead and start off with our first article talking about Microsoft's quantum computing breakthrough. Microsoft launches a new type of quantum chip to address scaling. Microsoft has unveiled Majorana 1, a quantum chip powered by a new topological core architecture that could change the timeline of solving industrial scale problems from decades to years. This chip utilizes a unique type of material called a conductor to create more reliable and scalable qubits using subatomic quantum particles known as Majorana particles. The new architecture provides a path towards building quantum computers with up to 1 million qubits, enabling practical, real-world technology to solve complex industrial problems within a few years rather than decades. Topological qubits offer better stability, scalability, and error resistant than other qubit designs and require less error correction. Microsoft's new chip currently features 8 topological qubits, and the company plans to scale to 1 million qubits on a single chip. 1 million qubits is widely accepted as the threshold amount that will make quantum computers scalable of solving complex problems in chemistry, material science, and molecular interactions that classical computers cannot address. Examples include studying material corrosion, creating new catalysts, and advancing enzyme-based healthcare solutions. Alright, so it looks like Microsoft has possibly found a new way to speed up the process of bringing these quantum computers to market to make them more viable to solving a lot more real-world problems out in the world. In case you're not aware, Microsoft is not the only company working on quantum computing, because this right here came from Google CEO a few days back.
Look, we've been, the progress in quantum is palpably exciting. We've been focused on it for a long time. I think we have the most advanced state-of-the-art effort anywhere in the world. The latest breakthrough we had, we were able to perform a computation in 5 minutes that would have taken one of the world's fastest supercomputers over 10 septillion years. It's longer than our universe has been around.
So whether it's Microsoft or Google, these companies are moving full head of steam to make sure they create the quantum computer that is needed to solve all the problems out there that they are looking to solve. And soon we could be living in a world where 99% of the problems that are out there are solved by these quantum computers. So we shall see what happens next with this. And if any other news comes from Microsoft related to this news, I'll make sure to keep you updated. Let's go ahead and move into our next article talking about Grok 3. Elon Musk XAI adds big brain reasoning to Grok 3. Elon Musk XAI unveiled Grok 3, announcing that the new artificial intelligence model has more than 10 times the compute power of its predecessor. XAI said its latest flagship outperforms OpenAI's GPT-4o, Google's Gemini, and DeepSeek's V3 models in early testing, and now features advanced reasoning capabilities. There are 2 Grok 3 reasoning models available: Think, which will display Grok's reasoning as it resolves requests, and Big Brain for complex tasks that require more computational power. XAI is also launching a Grok AI agent product called Deep Search, which the company describes as a next-generation search engine. The Grok 3 reasoning capabilities are available in the Grok app for subscribers to X Premium Plus, which now starts at $40 per month. XAI also said it's launching a new subscription plan called Super Grok that will provide the most advanced capabilities and earliest access to new features. Super Grok will reportedly cost $30 per month, though it's unclear if this is an additional charge on top of X subscriptions. And to give us a little bit more insight on Grok 3, let's check it out right here. Alright, so here on the TYSK report account on X, you can see right here it says Grok 3 in beta, and we can access anything. You can see it says Deep Search there and Think there. So let's go ahead and use Deep Research to ask Grok this. Give me a thorough breakdown on why Grok 3 is a better model than all the other models out there. Include a pros and cons list and 3 bullet points for each list. So let's go ahead and click this and then see what we can get. So we got the Grok 3 thinking, and hopefully it will pull out something. All right, so you can see it working and doing what it's doing, and it's searching, researching model comparison, and yeah, it's still going. So as you can see with the Grok 3, when you ask for something thorough, and especially using Deep Search, it's going to give you a lot of information. It's complete now, but you can see here it says 20 sources. All right, so when I scroll down, I get the key points here, why Grok 3 stands out, unique features, limitations to note, comprehensive analysis, and then it gives me more information, all this information here. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and then additional information, the key citations where it came from, and providing me with all the information that is needed to give me a thorough, informative breakdown to the statement that I put into this model. So as you can see, Grok 3 is very useful to what you would want to learn. Now, I'm sure there are some cons there, but it just came out, and I'm pretty sure the team is going to be working on making this model stronger to combat or even eliminate those cons, but there are definitely going to be a lot of pros. Now, they have this Grok 3 deep research, and then Perplexity has their deep research tool, which I talked about in this video right here, and then Google also has deep research. So again, it comes down to a matter of what you believe is going to be best for you. Now, this is going to be very beneficial to people who are on X, because if they're researching something or they find a post of something they might be interested in, they can plug that into the Grok 3 and ask it some questions and get a lot of great information along with citations to what they ask it. So if you have the capabilities of using Grok 3, I definitely believe you should check it out. And if you have already used it, comment down below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. XRHealth to build world's largest XR healthcare platform with acquisition. XRHealth made further strides in deploying virtual and mixed reality solutions for healthcare end users and patients. Those strides come from XRHealth's recent acquisition of Realize Care, an immersive digital therapeutics firm that enables XRHealth to integrate AI services within its product portfolio. The integration of Realize Care's XR therapeutic solution platform also enabled XRHealth to include services to assist with various conditions, such as behavioral health, via scientifically proven methods to manage chronic pain. Additionally, XRHealth can leverage Realize Care's triage tool, allowing AI-optimized personalized patient care. The Realize Care solution appeared in the healthcare solutions market following a collaboration between the firm and Oxford University, Massachusetts General Hospital, Sumitomo Pharma, and Confluent Health. According to XR CEO Aaron Orr, with the integration of Realize Care's groundbreaking triage tool and therapeutic solutions, we are building the world's largest XR healthcare platform. XR Health notes that over 2,000 clinicians treat more than 50,000 patients on the XR Health platform, marking positive adoption for its service, with recent movement only driving this forward more. So the healthcare space continues to implement technology and move more and more into the digital world. And as you can see from this news, the virtual reality world is very useful, not just for games or entertainment, but also productivity and improving people's health. And I do believe later on down the road, not only will this be used for physical therapy, but it soon could be used to have visits with your doctor, taking the world of telehealth to a new immersive space. Tesla Cybertruck is not the death machine that some claim and gets 5-star NHTSA rating. NHTSA independently tested Tesla Cybertruck and it got a top 5-star rating despite some claiming that it would be a death machine. Tesla had claimed the vehicle to be just as safe, if not safer, than other vehicles, which all received top safety ratings, but it hadn't been independently tested until now. NHTSA has now crash tested the Cybertruck and gave it a 5-star safety rating. For the frontal collision test, the Cybertruck got a 5-star rating for the driver and a 4-star rating for the passenger. As for the rollover test, the Cybertruck got a 12.40% rollover risk in a single vehicle loss of control scenario, resulting in a 4-star rating. The Cybertruck, which is equipped with the same ADAS system as Tesla's other vehicles, also met the performance criteria for all the active safety features. However, one safety aspect that is not rated is pedestrian safety. Due to its shape and sharp edges, many have been concerned about the Cybertruck's safety in a collision with a pedestrian. NHTSA has been working on new rules to assess the safety of a vehicle for not only people inside the vehicle, but also for other road users. Alright, so if you are doubting the Cybertruck's safety capabilities, now you know that it has this 4-star and 5-star ratings. Also, I've been seeing a lot more Cybertrucks out there on the road, whether it's on highways or parked in parking lots at stores. Lots of people like this vehicle. And these articles also show us that the world will continue to move into electrical vehicles. I believe over time, the adoption that's happening outside of the US will soon come to the US, and we may soon see a lot more Cybertrucks out there on the roads. Let's move on to our next article. Northern Plains U.S. test site to support Aurora's FAA contract. The Northern Plains U.S. test site last week said it plans to support Aurora Network Systems Incorporated's contract with the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration. Aurora received an FAA Broad Agency Announcement contract to demonstrate and validate its technologies. The goal is to safely integrate unmanned aircraft systems U.S. into the National Airspace System. Aurora said its mission includes qualitative and quantitative measurements of voice quality, intelligibility, and end-to-end latency. It plans to demonstrate that it can meet the voice latency requirements of RTCA DO-377B. Flights are planned in Mayville, North Dakota, about 40 miles south of Grand Forks Air Force Base. McLean, Virginia-based Aurora said it provides secure and reliable communication systems for the aviation industry. The company focuses on developing and deploying infrastructure systems to enhance autonomy and safety within the NAS. It designed its private network to enable the commercial viability of emerging technologies while helping operators comply with regulations. So as I stated before, we will soon see different drones and air taxis and UAVs and EAVs flying above our heads in the future. Here in the US and in other countries, they are continuing to lay the groundwork for these different drones and air taxis and vehicles to make sure they are not harmful to anyone around them. So in the next 3 to 5 years, things are going to get really interesting, and our skies could soon be a little more crowded than just the birds and the planes that are up there on a day-to-day basis. Applied Motion Products offers AW stepper motors for harsh environments. Applied Motion Products Incorporated introduced its AW steppers motors, which have an IP65 rated design to ensure reliable operation in harsh environments. The Morgan Hill, California-based company said these motors are engineered to shield internal components from external contaminants such as dust, dirt, moisture, and grease. Applied Motion Products claim that the reliability and long service life of AW stepper motors can help minimize maintenance and downtime, enhance production efficiency, and ensure dependable machine performance. Such motors can ensure continuous and reliable operation in high temperatures, high humidity, dusty conditions, and corrosive environments, it added. The medical, mining, steel, petrochemical, and food processing industries extensively use AW stepper motors, noted by Applied Motion Products. The company said that its technologies are used for applications including, but not limited to, robotics and industrial automation, machine control, semiconductor handling, and packaging machines. Alright, so that's just some of the latest news with Applied Motion. Let's go ahead and move into our next article talking about Polymath. Game maker Polymath aims to make learning math as enjoyable as Roblox. As gaming platforms like Roblox and Minecraft continue to grow in popularity among young children, and with platforms like YouTube consuming hours of their daily screen time, edtech companies face challenges in capturing their attention. Polymath aims to tackle this by combining gamified mechanics inspired by these popular games with adaptive math lessons to make the learning experience more enjoyable. The educational sandbox game allows children to explore a virtual island where they can customize avatars, build using bricks and other materials, and interact with villagers. To progress in the game, kids must complete math-related questions, which ensures they remain focused on their educational goals. Polymath uses an adaptive algorithm to personalize learning for each child based on their progress. In addition to the core math lessons feature, there are learning opportunities inside the virtual world. For instance, if players want to build a house in the game, they need to measure the dimensions and calculate how many wood blocks they need. Future plans for the game include expanding the curriculum to offer more advanced learning opportunities and allowing for collaborative play where kids can work together on problems. Polymath is free to play on the web, iOS, and Android devices. Alright, so if you are a parent or guardian out there who has been looking for a way to have your child spend a little bit of time away from the games, this Polymath gaming platform will be an opportunity for them to not only have a little fun, but also do some learning along with that fun. So that's just some of the latest news when it comes to the world of technology. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and to continue to stay informed, check out these two videos right here. Comment down below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts.